everyone and welcome to What is Your Hobby. In today's video, we are going to see how to make an easy whale finger puppet. The basic process is very easy and you can make any different kind of animals using the same technique. Simply change the color combinations and the details to make a shark or a starfish, a mermaid or any other marine creature. So let's dive into the process and make cute little finger puppets. To make a whale puppet, we will need blue felt pieces, glue gun, scissors and a pair of googly eyes. I had used this felt for a previous project. I will start from this corner to make the whale puppet. Place a finger to measure the space for the puppet. Our finger will come till here, so we can draw the shape of a whale slightly from the top. We will draw a very basic shape for the whale. Draw a tail. If you draw a bigger tail, then it might droop. So I will draw a small tail. This is where the space for the finger is going to be. Now we will fold the felt like this. We will need exact 2 pieces of the whale's body. So we will fold the felt and cut it out to get equal parts. Cut over the line. Firmly hold both the pieces together while cutting. Don't throw away the cutouts. You can reuse them to cut small parts for some other projects. Apply glue at the edges. Use a hot glue gun. We will keep the base open for the finger to slip into the puppet. Now stick both the parts together. Glue the googly eyes on both the sides. I will use this black piece to cut a smiling mouth. We will do this for both the sides. Cut 2 small pink circles for the rosy cheeks. Your cute whale finger puppet is now ready for a play. Hope you find this video very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned to What is Your Hobby.